In early 2009, the Library of Congress began a pilot project with Zepheira to explore more useful tools and processes for sharing diverse content across partner collections. The result of this work is a software platform we call Recollection. Recollection goals are simple: to increase the ability to access and connect information in diverse digital collections, and to enhance discovery of these collections, making them easier to find and share. How we've gone about accomplishing these goals is the focus of this presentation. In Recollection, we recognize that data exists in a wide range of different applications, structured accordingly, described in different ways, and managed in different processes. In Recollection, we don't choose to change that, but rather provide very powerful lightweight wrappers in which that data stored in particular silos can be surfaced and brought together and linked appropriately by the end user. Further, empowering the end user to create a wide range of front-end visual interfaces to that integrated data, providing new insights into the patterns that are underlying it. A spreadsheet, for example, is a fine way in which data might be cataloged, managed, and curated, but not necessarily the best way in which one might view it. Surfacing spreadsheet information directly in the Recollection platform allows the end user to create new interfaces driven directly from that data, providing new insights. Existing systems that provide front-end interfaces to very specific data sets can also be surfaced and integrated into the Recollection platform, and when combined with other data, create something greater than the sum of the individual parts. Even directory systems that are used for managing archival material can be surfaced in the Recollection platform, thus providing new interfaces to browse such material. Let's take a quick look at how we actually build some of these interfaces from the underlying data. In this particular example, I've gone ahead and loaded a spreadsheet that reflects all of the NDIP partners. The values you might see here, for example, correspond to what you might normally see in columns of a spreadsheet. We can quickly add a variety of facets which allow us to navigate that spreadsheet in new and interesting ways. Quickly flipping between build and preview, for example, we can see the results of our selection. Back to build, instead of viewing the results in a traditional list view, we can go ahead and add some additional views of how we might see this data. For example, placing it on a map. This provides us a very powerful way in which we can quickly identify subsets of information and look at it in new ways. Any view that's created by NDIP partners becomes items in a collection themselves. In this particular case, for example, we've highlighted a handful of different views that reflect not only different interesting characteristics of the underlying NDIP data, but also highlighting characteristics of the Recollection platform itself. Taking one such example from the Roper Public Opinion polls, we can quickly provide means in which the user might choose a range of different facets, restricting them, in this particular case male, English, in the Bay Area, and quickly identify their views on a wide range of different polling questions. In the following example, we've gone ahead and wrapped an existing database, providing new ways in which the existing data in a relational model might be conveyed to the end user. Going beyond that, however, we can add information such as where in this particular case photos were taken and when they occurred. This is the power of the Recollection platform, building on top of existing data and providing new ways in which you might convey that information to end users. NDIP partners interested in participating in the Recollection pilot can do so by emailing ndip@loc.gov.